Outdoor bike cable locks with keys are best used as a bicycle lock and to secure other outdoor equipment. Cable locks are made with braided steel for strength and flexibility, and protective vinyl coating helps prevent scratching. Colorful cables for easy identification. Bike lock cables are 6 feet, 1.8 meters, long and 15/16 in, 8 millimeters, wide in diameter. Includes 3 cable locks, 2 keys. Each key opens all locks. The Master Lock 8127 tri-keyed bike lock cables, 3-pack keyed alike, are 6 feet, 1.8 meters, long and features 5/16 in, 8 millimeters, diameter braided steel for maximum strength and flexibility. The protective vinyl coating protects against scratches. The bright colors simplify identification. The lifetime guarantee provides peace of mind from a brand you know and can trust. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. Excellent value. The locks being keyed the same as a bonus.